Hello everyone, this is Anita Bryan of Anita Bryan TV. I'm coming again to you with another Robinhood report. I haven't done a video in a while. And guys, I'm going to make up for that. I'm going to start doing more videos, especially during this pandemic, because I know that a lot of you would like to make some extra money, would love to invest for the future if you're able to do it. And if you're not, you can grab a quick $500 in from Robinhood just by referring people to this program. You can use it in my videos. I just want to see people be great, and especially during a time like now. I'm going to be starting a Facebook group, a support group that everyone who signs up under me, I will add you to the group, and I will give you free trade information. Okay, so just by signing up to my Robinhood program, I will give you free trade information. I'm going to be starting that pretty soon. I'll keep you guys updated. But before I go any further, hit the like button, share this video with your friends to help them out a little bit, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. You might learn something. I hope you learned something. Love you guys so much. So I'm going to make this video real quick. It's not going to be too long. Robinhood has a debit card. This may be old information to some of you guys, okay? But it's new information to a lot of people who don't know much about Robinhood. So this is for this is who this particular video is for. Okay? So Robinhood has a debit card. So whatever money you earn, you can withdraw it right from your debit card account, honey. Right from your debit card account. So I know I see the last 4 digits on my debit card right there. I just canceled that card and ordered a new one. So it's all good. I'm not sharing any of my important information, but I am sharing the information of prosperity, a small key to prosperity that can open doors for you. Last year I did a series of videos to show you guys that Robinhood is real and that you can make some real money. I made enough money to buy my girls Christmas and to invest more back into Robinhood. So I started off just getting the free shares, and then eventually I started adding money from my own bank account and just making money and investing with Robinhood, because it's a really great company to be investing with. You don't have a middleman. You'll get to invest for yourself, make your own decisions. And if you can't make your own decisions, I'm happy to help you get started. And starting with the free shares is a great way to begin learning how to trade. Starting with the free shares is a great way to learn how to begin trading on the stock market and making you some extra cash and building generational wealth. It's not an overnight quick scheme type of program or type of business. This is investing in the stock market, and if you put in the time to learn, then you will reap the rewards. Now, Robinhood gives you $500 up to $500 in referrals. Whenever somebody signs up, you get free shares. You'll get a free share, and that person will get a free share. And that'll go up to again $500. And I earned the $500 the first time. I guess I did so well, they gave me a chance to earn another $500, guys. I guess somebody from the company must be watching me promote. So they gave me another $500 to play with. So I'm going to try and get it, and I'm going to try and help you get it. Sign up under me. I'll put you in the Facebook group as soon as I get it set up, and I'll teach you marketing, and I'll teach you how to trade and what to trade. So you don't have to feel like you're being left out in the cold or left blowing in the wind. All right, guys, I'm going to end this video. And again, don't forget to like this video. Share this video with your friends, your loved ones, because we need to help each other become prosperous, especially with all that's going on in the world today. Share it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome.